I'm unboxing 2022's hottest Tudor. No, not the Pelagos, the Black Bay Pro. $5,500 for this watch, but boy, do you get a lot for your money. If you're not already following, please go ahead and do so. I've been on TikTok almost a year now, and I'm trying to reach 10,000 followers. Thanks in advance for throwing me a follow. You get a lot with this watch. As I mentioned, you get a big Swiss brand at not a crazy price. You get 200 meters water resistant, a clasp, I'm going to take a look at that later, a date complication, and a fourth hand, a GMT. Very handy for me keeping track of the time in Scotland. Leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think of this watch. I think it's an absolute cracker, perhaps the best watch I've ever owned. Certainly one of the most practical. Here's the clasp I mentioned earlier, on the fly adjustment. That's really nice. You get a 5-year transferable guarantee with all Tudors, 3 extra links sized for my 6 3/4 inch wrist. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.